name is Mrs. Williams Comfort from the Dewilson Erudite Academy. I will be teaching you basic science for these online classes. So today we'll be talking about human digestive system. Before we move into what digestion is, I'd like you to know that all the food we eat usually comes in solid form, which does not dissolve in water. So our body cells cannot utilize the food in this form. What we are trying to say is that the food we eat always comes in solid form, and our body cells, we have different cells in our body. The cells in our body cannot dissolve this food in solid form. Before this food will be digested, it has to go through some processes. So now, in order to help our body cells utilize the food we eat, our food must be broken down by a special process into simple and soluble form. I said it the other time that the food we eat always comes in solid form. Before the food will be broken down for our body to digest, it has to be broken down into simple and soluble form. So now, what is digestion? You want to know what digestion is? This is the process by which food substances are broken down into simple and soluble form. Now, when we say digestion, it is what? We said it is the process, the way the food we eat breaks down into what? Into simple and soluble form that our body can easily digest. So now, what is digestive system? The other time we talked about digestion. So there's difference between digestion and the digestive system. What about digestive system now? We said these are parts of the body which work together to ensure digestion of food. Yes, before the digestion takes place, there are some parts of the body that works together that makes digestion of food to be very easy. Because it can't the digestion of food cannot take place in one part, only one part. We cannot say digestion can take place only in the mouth or only in the gullet. There are some parts that makes up the digestive system. All the parts that are involved in digestion of food are known as digestive system. That's why we said they are parts of the body which work together to ensure digestion of food. So now, parts of the digestive system. We want to know the parts that are responsible for the digestion of food. We have our mouth, we have our gullet, we have the stomach, we have the pancreas, we have the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. These are the parts that works together for digestion of food. Now let's look into the function of this digestive system. The first place where digestion takes place is from the mouth. So when you say mouth, the mouth chews the food into smaller pieces, and it mixed with our saliva, the saliva in our mouth, and there is an enzyme in the saliva called ptyalin. This ptyalin helps in the breaking down of carbohydrates into simple sugar. The next one is the gullet. You can see the gullet. Digestion doesn't take place in the gullet. It's just a passage, the linkage that links the mouth to the stomach. So it links the food from the mouth to the stomach. The digestion doesn't take place in the gullet. The next thing after the gullet is the stomach. Here in the stomach, the food we eat are churned into chyme, then mixed with gastric juice inside the stomach. And then what happens after that is that the food is acidified. The food is acidified inside the stomach, and bacteria in the food are killed. The food is acidified in the stomach, and the bacteria in the food are